What's up, guys? It's Richard Morrill here at my Modify Salon in Littleton, Colorado. Let me show you around. We haven't been back since we got closed down March 26th. Maybe it was sooner than that, but that's when it became real to me. I'm going to take my shop and I'm going to remove one station. I'm going to create each working space 6 feet apart with a hair dryer in the middle. We're going to repaint, redesign. It's going to look really good. I know a lot of you enjoy watching others create and rework spaces. Here's one that I've had for 8 years, and I've loved it every step of the way. Of my 34 years of hairdressing, I've been a salon owner for 20 of those. So I take my job serious because that's all I know. That's the majority of my life. My adult working life is being a salon owner. At Modify, we call that the sheer delir. You want to see it on? Stay tuned and watch another episode of Making My Salon COVID safe in